Logical Color WarmPEEL CP T-shirt vinyl is a premium hot peel PU heat transfer film suitable for application on cotton, polyester, and blended fabrics. It's opaque yet thin, soft, and stretchable. Let's get started. We always want to adjust our heat press's pressure so that it applies medium force against the garment or substrate. We also want to use a contact thermometer to assure that the temperature on our heat press is accurate. Upon positioning the garment onto our press, we want to pre-press without the transfer vinyl for 5 seconds to remove unwanted wrinkles. Now that we have a flat surface, we'll position our WarmPEEL CP vinyl covered by a Teflon sheet. Next, we can confirm our temperature is set for 320 degrees and time is set for 15 seconds. We're using an EnduraPress auto-release press that will open on its own when the time is up. Now we'll remove the Teflon sheet and just shake out some of the heat for about 5 seconds. And while it's still warm, we can go ahead and remove our liner to see our finished product. That's Logical Color WarmPEEL CP T-shirt vinyl. We hope you find it as simple and attractive as we do. But in case you run into any difficulties, here are some helpful questions and answers to help you troubleshoot.